Just before this video kicks off, guys, I want to say one thing. It's a competition for you guys and you can win it. I've actually been working with Ultimate Stance recently, and I am going to be going to Ultimate Stance next weekend on the 2nd or 3rd of November. Now, they're running a competition, so you can get a free ticket, a free hotel, and an inside spot on my stand and 2 other Instagrammers for free. All you got to do is go to their Facebook page. You got to post a picture of your car and like the page, etc. If you win, you'll be getting to come along with me and 2 other Instagrammers, and you'll be coming on this stand inside with your car, and you get a free hotel and a free ticket to get in and fast track with a queue as well. Now, don't worry, you do not need a German car or a Stance car, anything on bags. This one, they're calling it the grassroots. They want to just follow someone's life with the car. They want something self-built, something that's got a lot of a story behind and a lot of time into it, so it doesn't have to be on bags and all this. Forget about it. This stand is to promote that they're being a lot more varied now in you know, their accepted cars. So I'm on a stand as an MX-5, which is low as fuck, and there's an S14 on the stand as well. So yeah, if you want to if you want to come away for the weekend with me and be on a stand with a free hotel, go over to their Facebook page. The link will be in the description to that actual post. Go and comment on there, follow the rules, and you might be in a chance to win it.
Good morning, peeps. Good morning. It's Monday, quite early. We're down here with JMRS and we're taking the CLIOs on track today. It's literally just started spitting, so don't want it to rain. But I'm taking this one. We're bringing this one and we're going to meet some of the CLIOs there as well. So I'll pick up the video when it's a little bit lighter, but I just wanted to say good morning. Such a weird little circuit. This car feels amazing. This is what a CLIO should feel like, but mine does not feel like. This is a good car, man. This handles unreal. Reese is here. Oh, the CLIOs. Oh, look at Evo.
Up there, there's traffic lights, and it's quite simple. It's red or green.
Did she pass?
Yeah, easy. Jump in and go and do the sighting laps.
All right, yeah. Hang on. Castle Combe with JMRS. I've come down to go on a track day with them, and we're taking out their CLIO. I'm just waiting for Reese to come back now. I'm not sure what he's fucked off to, but we're going to go out and do some sighting laps. I've never done this track before, and I've heard that there is absolutely no runoff on this track, so can't really be making mistakes. We've got the helmet, and I do actually need some food, to be fair, but I think James's wife, Becky, is bringing some sandwiches down soon, hopefully. Now, we have got the wet tyres on, we've took the slicks off, so I'm hoping that it stays dry, but it looks like it's starting to rain a little bit. There's absolutely tons of CLIOs. Reese, where the fuck is Reese? Luke Bourne as well. Luke Bourne's here, so we're going to say hello to Luke after. Here we go. I think James is going to go out first. I'll probably go with him, see what sort of corners he takes and sort of like that. But they've just been out on sight and laps. The track's really good, to be fair. Really wide, really flowy, really fast. There's a big wet patch here coming to after a long straight into the right. Really wet patch. So that's going to be dangerous, but that should be good. Hopefully follow James' lead, see what he does, and then we'll go out after. Not that the queue is big enough as it is. In the first 5 minutes, somebody's binned it, and we're all sat here in a red flag. So awesome. So we got 1 lap, and then it was an Evo broke down, shock, and now we're being red flagged. So now we've got to get right to the back of the queue again. I feel your pain, mate. I understand. Happens to the best of us. Right, so James just finished his. Did about 4 or 5 laps, so it's quite slippy. A few slippy corners. It's really nice, so it's really wide, really quick. Chicanes are really good fun as well. I'm gonna get the GoPro on now. He's just gone getting a cable tie so I can tether it. They've not actually told me I have to tether this, but I'd rather just tether it and not get to the front and then get told to go back to the fucking back. So we're gonna tether it to here. So we go, first lap of Combe. Which one? Here we go. Hey. kiss that apex and get a nice little exit. Touch that cone. Wide. The rear was like dead floaty then on some of the corners, so we dropped the pressures to like 25, 26, so we're like 30, so we've dropped them all down. Hopefully it's going to stop being a little floaty. The back end was really floaty then, so hopefully taking a bit of the pressures out is going to give us a bit more grip. Right, did about five, 6 laps. Car's unreal, it's so much better than my Clio, the turning's so much better, so much stiffer. With that little bit of rain at the end, like, it was like, you're knocking literally like 10 mile an hour off each corner because it's just dead slippy. I had a little bit of a hiccup just because that caisson won't let me get won't let me come in, so I've entered that corner horrifically, but oh well, can't really do that. No, the car's sick, so we're queuing up again. I think Chris is going to take it out now, I'm going to go with him, but yeah, it's good. Look at that, sick car. So we're on dinner. They've called dinner really because Golf absolutely shit out a pile of a line of oil, and well, we almost spun out in the Clio because of it. But this is what's broke on my Clio, so this is what we're actually putting it together now. So we got the rear beam polybushed with the wide stub axles and like wide track axles as well. So that's what we need to fix the Clio. This piece of beautiful thing. Have you painted that, or is it just clean?
It went from what's that noise? Sealed.
I see.
It's been stripped and black.
Oh, of course, only the best. So we're building it now, so it's easy for me to. Now we're gonna have a serious case of skinny legs at the front. Get some spaces from Alfred's. Right, so it's second time going out. It's really wet. I'm gonna put the camera inside. It's really wet. It's been about 4 hours of like constant rain since I've last gone out. I have gone out in Reese's car and it was really slippy. There's so much standing water, it's unbelievable. Now this has got better tyres on than Reese's, so it should be alright. Probably got second on this corner, to be fair. Straight line braking, we're nice and wide on this one. Pull across, let it flow out. I'm going to miss this little patch. Keep it third. Brakes. We got it, boy, don't you worry. So you see with the heel and toe in where I can make the braking and the gear change just so much smoother at the same time. We've got a red flag, oh shit. Oh, MR2's in the wall. He's away. Big crash there in the MR2.
Brakes are good in this.
Yeah, really good brakes. So they got the Frodo part, is it Frodo DS something?
Frodo DS, yeah. And the heel and toe.
Pardon?
Heel and toe does bits, doesn't it?
Yeah man, you need to do
big.
The thing is although it's hard doing it like that, when you're on the brakes, you know, when the brake's down it's so much easier.
It's weird with the accelerator being so low compared to the other two pedals though.
Yeah, but when you're on the brakes, you know, they become closer. I definitely learned to heel and toe, honestly, mate. Yeah, massively. There he is, Mr. Bond. So just took the thermostat out of this Civic. It's overheating. Is it leaking? You're very welcome. Not only a pretty face. That turbo floor, that? What wastegate's that? Turbo floor? So there we go, one of the Clios went into the wall quite badly, and I think it's like half an hour before they shut the track, so they just called it a day. But that's alright because I'm absolutely knackered. I didn't want to go out again. My head is banging. I've got like a 4-hour drive to get home as well, so Clio's been absolutely amazing. Just for fun, this one's called. Been sick. It's a really good benchmark now. It's giving many ideas of what I want to do to mine. So we've got the rear axle there. It's going to be going on hopefully this week. I'm going to have to get Jesse to help me or something. And then we can start going back to modding the Clio and making it a little bit like this. I'm actually thinking about getting like a big Lockwood, like decals on the side, bit like big Lockwood signs all over it. I think that'd be quite cool. The engine mounts have made a massive difference. The Powerflex engine mounts, it just feels way more responsive. So definitely getting the engine mounts. But I've got a 4-hour drive home now. I'm gonna have to get many lattes, but yeah, it's been a good day. Right, so I just got back to the JMRS headquarters. You can see all the Clios. I love this car. Like, I've literally fell in love with this car. I actually didn't think Clios could feel this good, so I need to start copying what this car's got on. Apparently James was saying the dog bone mount, I need that like ASAP. But this car just feels so good. It feels so much faster as well. I'm not sure if that's just the atmosphere in here with the seats and stuff, but it feels so much quicker. It has got an intake through the headlight, like a cold air feed through the headlight to the intake, so I'm guessing that helps out a lot. But oh my god, this car's sick. So James isn't here. Oh, speaking of which, he's just pulled up. James just pulled up. Now I've got a big drive back to Manchester, so I'm going to stop off, get some food, get a coffee, chill out, make it a little bit of a two-way thing about it. But thank you so much to JMRS for inviting me down and letting me drive the car. I know now how good a Clio can be, and I'm obviously going to get all my parts from them. So if you have got Clios or any Renaults, get on to JMRS. This is what they do. They literally specialise in breaking track cars and making track cars, so hopefully I'll last on the way home.